Microsoft has just announced its next step in AI integration, Copilot. This groundbreaking feature combines the power of chat interfaces and large language models with real-world applications, poised to revolutionize how you work and play. At its core, Copilot is an everyday AI companion designed to assist with various tasks, from finding web information to creating content and learning new skills. It's seamlessly integrated across Microsoft's entire ecosystem, including Windows 11, Microsoft 365, Edge, and Bing. You can access it as a standalone app or with a simple right-click on your PC. What makes Copilot truly impressive is its contextual understanding. It harnesses the web, your personal data, and real-time PC activity to deliver personalized, relevant suggestions through a conversational interface that feels like chatting with a friend. The good news is that Copilot will be widely available starting September 26th with a free Windows 11 update. If your device isn't compatible, don't worry. You'll still be able to access Copilot through Bing, Edge, and Microsoft 365 in the coming months, ensuring you can experience its benefits on the web or mobile devices. With Windows 11 integration, Copilot transforms your operating system into a more powerful productivity tool. You can use it to streamline tasks and reduce cognitive load by simply asking it to find files, open apps, set reminders, or send emails with just a few words. It's also a learning companion. Ask it to explain concepts, solve math problems, or generate text summaries. Accessing Copilot is easy through the taskbar or by pressing Win+C on your keyboard. Windows 11's creative applications have been enhanced with AI-driven features in apps like Paint and Photos. In Paint, Copilot leverages OpenAI's DALL-E 3 model to generate realistic images from text prompts. You can create logos, icons, illustrations, or virtually anything imaginable by simply typing your request and letting Copilot and DALL-E 3 handle the rest. In Photos, Copilot enables professional quality editing with tools like Generative Expand to extend photo backgrounds while maintaining quality. The Fill feature substitutes unwanted objects or people with realistic content, while the Erase tool effortlessly removes blemishes or imperfections. Bing and Edge also receive significant upgrades with Copilot integration. The new Bing Image Creator, powered by Copilot and DALL-E 3, allows you to craft stunning images for social media graphics, invitations, and logos simply by describing what you want. Another impressive feature is the personalized search experience based on your chat history. Copilot remembers previous queries to deliver more relevant results. For example, if you asked about jazz music history last week, today's search for music venues might recommend jazz clubs or live jazz performance spaces. Online shoppers will appreciate Microsoft Shopping's AI-enhanced experience for finding deals and comparing prices across retailers. With Copilot, you can search for items, get suggestions, read reviews, track orders, manage favorites, and even earn cash back. Additionally, Bing and Edge support content credentials, a system to watermark AI-generated images for authenticity and provenance. This allows creators to attach information to images when exported, enhancing recognition, connection opportunities, and transparency for their audience, while helping consumers verify image sources and quality. Microsoft 365 Copilot transforms the productivity suite, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams, into a more collaborative and creative platform. A key feature is the new AI chat assistant that helps with enterprise tasks. Create content, catch up on missed information, and get answers to specific work questions. In Word, you can draft documents, improve grammar, and generate summaries. Excel's chat helps create charts, analyze data, and extract insights. PowerPoint Assistance includes designing slides, adding images, and creating captions. In Outlook, it helps compose emails, set reminders, and manage contacts. Teams integration facilitates collaboration, file sharing, and call participation. This AI assistant utilizes contextual understanding to harness your work data and applications for personalized, relevant suggestions. It employs natural language processing to understand queries and generate natural responses while using large language models to create high-quality content matching your style and tone. The AI chat functions as both a work and learning tool, helping you explore Microsoft 365 features and develop skills related to your interests while providing performance feedback. Copilot also enhances Designer, Microsoft's graphic design tool for quickly creating high-quality videos. Incorporates AI and leverages OpenAI's DALL-E 3 to generate images from text descriptions. It offers innovative features like generative expand, fill, and erase to improve designs. Seamlessly integrated with Microsoft 365, Designer can be accessed from any associated app or the web, compatible with Word and PowerPoint for easy import-export of designs. Think of Designer as your go-to AI companion for rapid, impressive design work. File Explorer receives a modern update with a clean interface. The complicated old design is replaced by an intuitive home-page clear address bar and faster search functionality, making it simpler to find and manage files. The new gallery feature benefits photographers and visual content creators by making photo viewing easier, similar to using a dedicated photo app. New tracking features also allow users to monitor file changes without opening them. With hybrid work environments becoming standard, collaborative tools like Microsoft's Surface Hub 3 are increasingly vital. This device aims to improve team collaboration and is compatible with Microsoft Teams Rooms on Windows, featuring a clear display available in 50-inch and 85-inch sizes. Its AI-enhanced features make it special. The 50-inch model offers new collaborative capabilities including portrait mode, smart rotation, and smart AV that transform how teams use content. The standout feature is Copilot integration in the Whiteboard app, which along with cloud and teleframe capabilities makes brainstorming and idea visualization smoother than ever before. Microsoft has designed several devices specifically to showcase Copilot's AI capabilities, including the Surface Pen Surface Mobile Mouse Surface Laptop Studio, 2 Surface Laptop Go 3 Surface Hub 3. These devices not only support Copilot but enhance the overall AI experience, allowing you to access Copilot anytime, anywhere, and interact through multiple modalities: typing, speaking, writing, or drawing. Essentially, Microsoft Copilot represents a seamless blend of chat interfaces and large language models for practical, everyday applications across the entire Microsoft ecosystem, transforming how we interact with technology in our daily lives.